Hey everybody, welcome to Flower Boss. My name is Kathy. Thank you for joining me today. I'm in the process of cleaning my studio up, getting ready for brand new materials and new tutorials for all of you. I'll be making a new video every day this month, so subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. So I'm just kind of putting together some scrap materials I have to see what I can put together real quick for you. I had this dry foam here, and I just glued a piece on the bottom. I'm just going to glue another piece on the bottom here and stick it straight down into my container, just like this, just like that, like that. And I'm going to press that down into there. I think it's actually a little bit large. Take that bottom one off. Okay, so I had already started putting some blooper. I've got some glue stuck to my finger. I had already started putting some greenery just all over the around, collaring the dry foam. So I'm just going to continue that. That's all that I am doing right now. I have some eucalyptus. I have some lamb's ear. I have some fern. I have some seeded eucalyptus. I have some a great variety of greenery. So I'm just going to go ahead. I have little pieces left over from projects. So see how cute that is? I'm just going to pop that in there. And I have some Italian ruscus, and I'm just putting that all around. I'm just going to go ahead and collar this around. And I want to use this container right here because I have it available, and I have a few of these beautiful, beautiful pink ranunculus and ranunculus, and I'm going to pop these in right here. And then I'm going, what you do on one side, you do on the other. So I'm going to pop some right here, and I'm going to pop one on this side right there, and I'm going to put one right here, right there. And I have these beautiful pink blooms right here, so I'm going to kind of just put these in or in around somewhere kind of low into my arrangement. And I'm just going to keep filling my greenery up, and that is all that I'm going to do for this beautiful arrangement. That is it. In just a matter of minutes, you can just have a beautiful arrangement. And these are, look how lively these are and fun. This would be an excellent Mother's Day arrangement, or something you could just put on your island, or you could put it on your Easter table. And it's just so festive, fun. Just make sure to cover up all your mechanics. Is all you need to do on that. Let's see, what else do we need? I got a beautiful piece of Italian ruscus right here, and we'll just pop that in right there. And that literally is all that I'm going to do to this one. I have this beautiful piece of greenery, so I'm going to put that in there just to fill it up a bit. And that's it. And that's all there is to that. Oh, I'm sorry, I do have these, so I do want to pop a little darker pink of color in here. And for the final touch, I have these two little pink spriggies, and I'll have them facing forward like this, and I'll just put it right near the base of the middle in my arrangement. If I can find a spot for my dry foam, and that'll be my final touches on this. So just go through and look and see what all you have left over, or go to the store and get your materials, turn the video back on, and come back and make one with me. It'll be so fun. And that's all we're going to do to this beautiful arrangement, and it is ready to give. You could set this on your island. You could set this in your bathroom and spray it with rose spray or your favorite scent. It'd be so beautiful. Or you could set it on your bar, or on your dining room table, your foyer table. There's so many places you could set this beautiful arrangement. And if you wanted to make a big one, like a grand one for your foyer, you just do the same thing. Just color your greenery all the way around, fill it up, and then we put our first one in the middle, and what you do on one side you do on the other, and we're using odd numbers. We have 5 here, so has a perfect balance. And you can make a bigger one, you can make a smaller one, or you can make one this size. But it's so fun. Just try. If you don't think you have any creative talent, you're wrong about that. So just try your hand at it. I encourage you, make a material list, go to the store, get some a variety of greenery. You cannot go wrong by getting Italian ruscus and eucalyptus and lamb's ear. Those are the top three that if you get those and put them in any of your arrangements, it's going to be beautiful. And just get you don't overpower your blooms. These are my focal flowers, and just make a beautiful, elegant, well balanced, beautiful, cheerful arrangement. And I always say flowers are an instant mood booster, and it is so true. I have been sick for the last few days. I'm finally on the mend, but flowers truly are an instant mood booster. So I encourage you to have them in your life at all times. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing a brand new video every single day this month. Thank all of you. Have a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and I will see you tomorrow.